Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another interesting short hair video collections to inspire women who love to rock short hair. Today's video highlight different types of Baldie, different types of finger waves, different types of relaxed natural hair that is gonna give you that beautiful look that you are looking for. All right, like we've always said, short hair is a natural styling haircut to make women look unique in their respective ways. All right, short hair, in my own opinion, is actually its own fashion statement, if you ask me. All right, so some women would like to cut their hair really low, like this one you're seeing right here. Cut it really low to get that freedom, to be free of all that lots of hair, long hair flying all around you. All right, these short hairstyles are recommended for spring, for summer, and for fall period. These short beautiful hairstyles can actually accentuate your overall fashion dress sense. All right, so what we do is to bring different video collections and picture collections of the last event that just took place, or in events from social media, just to inspire and to ignite your love for short hair. If you have been thinking whether to switch to short hair, you are not alone. A lot of other women are thinking the same, and this video, the purpose of this video, is to inspire you to do that as soon as possible. Short hair are the trending fashion statement hairstyles right now, all right, in 2023 and 2024 and beyond. All right, so guys, let this video inspire you to want to switch, all right, to that beautiful Baldie, very low shaved head, and relaxed natural hair, short hair, or even a finger wave like the ones you are seeing here. All right, when you rock short hair and you are rocking that your fashion outfit, you look absolutely classy. Believe me, short hair is a definition of classiness. All right, so when you rock short hair, you look extremely classy. I'll leave it here, okay? More videos like this coming your way. If this is your first time discovering this channel, or you would like to make a personal preference, you can ask us in the comment section what type of shot exactly that you would like us to bring to you. All right, we'll bring lots and lots of them so that you can be inspired, ignited, and be moved to want to switch to short hair. All right, until then, we see you in our next video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you want more of this kind of video to come your way. Thank you guys, bye.
No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the spirit, 'cause my life is from above. Prepare, Lord, I prepare. I prepare my heart for the life that is to come. I prepare my heart for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the calm and endless life. I prepare my heart to your well done, faithful servant. for the coming of Jesus. I prepare for the coming of the Lord. No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above. I prepare my heart for the life that is to come. I prepare my heart for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. I prepare for the coming of Jesus. I prepare for the coming of the Lord. No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above.